Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share with you 3 tips that how I double my income for my business and my day working. So as you know, I am hairstylist and I work for myself and I come from Vietnam. So a few years ago, I was struggling literally because I moved from Vietnam, go to Australia, and everything I start from scratch. I learned English. I have to learn culture. I have to learn everything by myself from scratch and try to learn the way to run the business and make more profits and more income for my career, but for my business. But it literally is burned out, and I tell you that whatever I try, it still doesn't work. People say to do that, put more ad, do advertise, get discount, and do a lot of things like that, but it's never get into the point that what I want. So today I'm going to share with you 3 things that I literally doing it and it give me the result from I make like $80 a day to 800 a day or over 1,000 a day. So here's what I share with you. So number 1 thing I will share that build confidence. Number 2, that is improve communication skill. Number 3, that put yourself out there, kind of marketing. So 3 things that I have learned and I do that by myself and that works so well for me. Okay, so now what I share that number 1, improve and build confidence. Build confidence in here, what I feel in the past, when I came to Australia, I did not know how to do blonde. I am specialized in blonde and balayage color correction right now. But in the past, I did not know how to doing it. And how for me to build my confidence at that time, I do everything and everyone asks me for help, anything about balayage blonde, I do it. It doesn't matter pay or not pay, I do it. So my tip that for you that just do more, even when you actually get like failure, you did something wrong and people learn by mistake. And that for myself, when I make that mistake and I write it down, this is I did that way, it doesn't work, next time I will change. And that is only way I do more often, then I can learn more by experience for myself. So a lot of people that try to learn, but they don't want to take the action because they have so much fear and they worry it does not work. So that's why they don't doing it. But for me, that the more I do it, the more I can see my confidence it built better because I know what I did not right, I will change next time. And only way I feel I learn by mistake. So that's why, and that way I build my confidence because I do a lot of that. When I do a lot of that, I'm facing with a lot of failure. I face with a lot of things wrong, which means whenever clients say, okay, my hair is dry, I know why hair is dry. The client say hair is brassy, I know exactly why it's brassy. And they say, oh, they want the contrast, they want definition. I know how to add definition, how to add more contrast for them. So because I do a lot, so I tell you that if you are new or you are even in a long time industry, but you cannot get the income you want, choose one service that you want to be specialized and do more about that to build that confidence for yourself. So that's number 1 thing. And that's what I did for myself. I do a lot of that. I got the confidence and that helped me so much for my work. And number 2 thing, that is build and improve your communication. For myself, I build the communication by, I say, okay, the first step, I do a lot of that. Then when the client come in or message me, found me on social media, they message me and they say, okay, I need hair done. I will know because I did in the past. That's what I know what roughly the pain point. So I use my communication skill, which means I did not know before, but after I learned, I invest the money to learn from the expert people and teaching me how that what I learned. The communication skill that I have 3 things. Number 1 thing that when I talk with the new pupil, new client, I had to make sure I have to talk about 3 important things. Number 1, it is the pain point, the problem they have. I need to explain to them if someone do a blonde balayage. I know that blonde balayage is always harsh line. That is the pain point. The blonde always brassy, the blonde always dry, or the blonde always feel damaged and not feel enough moisture for their hair. I knew that the pain point, I would talk to them first. Number 2 thing, I would tell them I have the solution. I would tell them, okay, I have the solution for you. Your hair is dry, your hair is brassy. I am going to fix that problem for you. And I talk with them the step how I doing it. That's the number 2 thing. And number 3 thing, I make sure I have to describe that the benefit and the transformation for them. Like for example, when I see new people, and they often do in the past who have a foil, but they want to take away the brassy, I will say, okay, if you do full head of foil, your hair is still brassy. But if you do color correction, it will be take away the brassy for you. But color correction, it takes longer time. I explain the transformation. It takes longer time, but you won't see the brassy again. It will last longer, and the color, it always feel fresh, nice, and beautiful, and look trendy hairstyle. And you always love it because when you look at that is with the hair that it's no brassy, it have contrast, it have definition on it. It's easy for you to dress up. It's easy to look professional, and it's easy to maintain at home. It lasts for you to 3 to 6 months. So when I'm saying that, it makes the client trust in me because I have ability to deliver the value, talk deep about the community, talk deep about the transformation. So that helped my client trusting in me. And what I say, okay, instead of do full head of foil, $250 for that, I explain to them they should do color correction, $145 per hour, roughly 4 hours. I double my income within 600, nearly 600 for that client. And that is make them trusting on me, and they happy to pay for that because I got the skill, and literally I had the ability, the confidence. I'm confident to say and explain to them with the transformation about that. They trusting me, and they're happy to pay for that. That's what I think is so important. Okay, number 3 thing I want to say that the marketing, kind of like put yourself out there more. So when I got when you got that, the confidence, you got the communication skill, what the next step you are going to do? You put yourself out there. Number 1, you go live and talk about what you can help people, how they can help, how you can help them with. And actually you put yourself out there, but also when you put yourself out there, you talk about the problem, you talk about the trend, the benefit, the solution, and then you talk about the transformation and benefit for them. When you go with the video, you talk about that, but also you make the post on social media. You literally, yes, you do need to use those points, which means you make a post on the picture, you post on social media. Of course, you have to describe with the words that the way you say that, okay, still based on the pain point step, what you do, and also with the transformation and benefit. So with that help your client, new pupil or new client, actually when they actually go to searching, they can find you. They can find you and they ask for help. Because if you don't go put yourself out there, you don't talk about that, people cannot search you. People cannot find you. Even they found you, but when they land into your business, your page, they did not see any the information for them, benefit for them. They will not stay in your fan and not ask for help. So that's why put yourself out there, go to the Facebook, post the post, or help people read the comment. Anyone need help about the problem, you got the skill, they have the problem, try to message them and talk to them. Go live to talk about what you can help, this problem you can solve, and then make a post with really deep in the caption and write it down. What is the pain point? What is the step you actually do, what you do different with everyone, and what is the transformation, why they choose you. So that when you follow that 3 things, literally you will see that your income, your business is grow and you never can imagine. So that is what happened to me, that I did that in 3 that part, and I got $80 paid a day, but I got over $1,000 a day for my work, only 1 or 2 clients a day. So that's what I share with you. I hope this helps that for you to learn, take away, and do that to increase your business and your income. So here's what I say. If you watch this video, please comment below. You might watch this video on Facebook or YouTube. If you watch on YouTube, comment below 3 things that which one you want to learn. Number 1, that you want to get better with your skill. Number 2, you want to learn more about communication, or number 3, you want to learn about marketing. So either one, which one you want to learn. If you watch on Facebook, comment below, let me know what that you want to learn next, so I will be help you with. So lastly, just want to say to you that I have the free masterclass how I do hair transformation from dark gold to blonde in 1 section. At the description below, or if you want the video on Facebook, check the comment below. I will put the link in there. You can join in and watch. Watch video, build your when you watch video, practice do with that. And then after that, use the communication skill that improve what you have learned, what you do, and then use that and go live and talk to people, make more posting on social media. And that will help you double your income. And then I'm Giang Brooke. I'm here to help you. This is my passion. So bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumb up, okay? And find me on, say hi me on social media. Bye for now.